I'd like to tell you today about my new book, Surprising Silhouettes. I've always been interested in black and white silhouettes. This isn't my idea, it's a very, very old Japanese idea called no tan. And it's very common to many people that they will have seen this kind of a sign, the yin and yang, where the black and the white make up the design in equal proportions. If you didn't have one of the colours, the design wouldn't exist. And many people in primary school played around with black and white paper creating designs. In the book at the back, there is a pattern given as a challenge. And I've asked people, if they want to join the challenge, to use the pattern and make something and send it to my website at angelamadden.com. This is the pattern used by one person, which makes a really nice table runner.